Our job is repentance. God's job is restoration. Our job is repentance. That's how we should be walking through life. God's job is restoration. And if we're willing to come home in the posture of repentance, God promises that he'll restore you back to his child in his image. That he wants to put his robe on you. He wants to put his ring on you. He wants to put his sandals on you and restore you back to being his child. That this parable is about sinners recognizing their sin is a big deal. You need to come home in repentance and let Jesus do what he wants to do to celebrate your